Hey guys, you know what happens when a microwave pisses me off? Well, if you don't, you're about to find out. Guys, Jeff the Maintenance Man. I found a good source of magnets. When microwaves go bad, I like to extract the magnets out of them. And, well, I have a security bit set from Harbor Freight. But the bit that I have, of course, is stripped out. So I'm just going to drill out these security bits. Screw heads here. Easiest way to do it. Couple minutes, so I just wanted to get this magnetron out. I want to show y'all something interesting about if you do this. First of all, that capacitor could be charged up, but in most cases it's not. But why this met its demise, I don't know. But there's a screw here, couple screws there, so let's get the impact over here and let's take out the screws, and I'm going to show you something dangerous in a microwave. One second. Impact, and I need a sort of an extension bit on here. Yeah, we'll just use that. Alright, so let's get that screw out of there, this screw out of there, and this screw. Like I said, let's just stay away from that transformer for a bit. Although I think they do self-discharge because they have a diode right there that kind of discharges them. But so that's one of the dangers of. Okay, I need two hands. Set y'all right here. Perfect. Let's just take this off. Well, I don't really even need to take all that shit off. Dang. Y'all jump around. There we go. Get the wires off there. Okay. Let's get the alright, you know what? Yeah. So we get the call out of here. Whatever you want to call this. They weren't messing around. Alright, let's go to the shop. Let's analyze what we got. I'm going to show y'all something. One of these are dangerous. We're trying to get these magnets out of here. This is a magnet, and this is a magnet right here. The pink stuff right here, right by the antenna, I forget what it's called, but it's barium or something. It's radioactive. You don't want to scratch it. You don't want to inhale it if it becomes aerosol, and you don't want it stuck in your finger. Some people mistaken it for ceramic, but that it is not. It is deadly. It's been known in the state of California to cause cancer. No, I'm just kidding. It's been known out of 100% cases, I believe, that people who have come in contact with it have developed cancer. Now, that doesn't mean touching it or anything, but if you got splinter or you make it into a dust, you definitely don't want to just start taking an angle grinder to this damn thing. So if you're scrapping microwaves and stuff, be wary of that. I just want the 2 magnets out of it. So today I've just decided to make a random video showing you how to get the magnets out and some of the dangers that come along with it trying to get them out. So what I'm going to try to do is just peel back the metal around the magnetron. There's some clips there, and we don't want to break the magnets, and we don't want to break the barium or whatever it's called. I'm totally murdering the saying of it. But once you can get the clips off of there, it'll go a lot easier for you. There's nothing inside of a magnetron, guys, except for what you see on the outside, really, because it is it's a hollow chamber. It's just a hollow chamber, and radio waves go through like a little reaction chamber. So again, like I said, let's not try to disturb any of that stuff there. And you just pull. There's 2 sides of this. There's more of this stuff on the inside of that. See that? So let's try not to chip it or anything. What I do is I just sit here and I twist till the wires come off. Just be careful not to disturb it too much. There literally is nothing inside of a magnetron worth seeing. Yeah, this stuff. Now I can probably get my pliers and cut it. So, this is the stuff you want to stay away from. This is not ceramic. This purple and pink stuff is not ceramic. This is just a diffuser for the antenna. So, it's a brass shield, basically. And this magnet comes right off. It's just stuck on there. So you get pretty good magnets out of these things. I mean, they are pretty strong magnets for what they are. But there's really nothing inside of this case. I mean, I can open it up, I guess, to show you. Just give it a couple taps. Oh, maybe. I got that sucker on there pretty tight, but it's basically just 2 wires, these coils. That's it, and it goes inside of the magnetron, shoots high voltage microwaves through here. These are balancing magnets that focuses it into a beam that comes out of here, and then that's it. It's really just a damn tube. I might have to leave this magnet behind. I don't want me scraping up against that stuff. It's got this shield on the top preventing me from getting the magnet out. We'll give it a shot though. We'll give it a shot. Who would have thought that your microwave is so freaking dangerous? Like, it can kill you. But I mean, it doesn't like radiate the food or anything. It just, it's a, if you use ceramic, it will crack. Now we're getting some results. There we go. There we go. Yeah, it's just glued on there. Take that ring off. Get the magnets. Woo! Told you they're strong. Thought those might shattered. There you go. 2 magnets. That's all I was after. Throw this away as normal. Don't mess with it any further than this. Seriously, guys. It's not worth it. So I just shoved that back in the microwave, and I'm gonna clean up my parts here and throw this away and this away. Okay. Yeah, another garbage disposal change out today. And then I got my magnets. Put them on the door for whoever wants to use them, needs them. So they come in handy. All right. Well, that is how you get the magnets out of a microwave. And I mean, you could use the transformers if you have a loose form, but you know, what is that? 120 volts in, and this capacitor here is probably can get charged up to like 2100 volts. A little fan motor in there you could probably use, circuit board, timer kind of thing. But other than that, nope. Out she goes to the trash. Guys, I'm Jeff the Maintenance Man. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. We'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care.